Hello Sagittarius, welcome to Truth Well Told Tarot. This is Andrea and I'm here to do your daily tarot reading for the 7th of October 2022 for the sign of Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. So I hope you're well. Remember, these readings won't be for everyone. Take what resonates for you as always. Let's see what we have for the day for you. So we have some closure. Oh, beneath that we have friendship. Let me show you the cards. Okay, Sagittarius, let's see what that is all about. You know, whatever this is, it feels like you're at peace with it. There's just a real sense of peace coming from these cards that I'm really picking up on. Someone's just really at peace with maybe the decisions they're making. So let's see what we have. What do we have for Sagittarius, please? Message for our lovely Sagittarians, thank you. We have the Knight of Cups. We have the Emperor. And we have the Ace of Wands. Bottom of the deck, I've got the Ten of Swords. So, Sagittarius, the Emperor is somebody who, I mean, you might be dealing with an Aries. This can be Emperor energy. But the Emperor is somebody who will take the initiative, take control of a situation here. Because they know what to do. They're wise, they're experienced, they make decisions, not just for them, but for everybody involved in this situation. This is the energy here, Sagittarius, where you might be adopting Emperor energy. You might be taking control of a situation in order to restore order in your life in some way. This is about something might need to be taken control of here. It might well be you're the decision maker here in terms of how something moves forward here. So that's what I'm getting quite strongly. With the Knight of Cups, this can be an offer. Now, it's generally an offer from the heart. It can be apologies, offers of love. This can be love romance. It can also be in terms of friendship. It can be somebody who you have a bond with, a connection with in some way. So it might well be that there's an offer from a friend. So this is either friends are supporting you or this is to do with a friendship. Whatever the situation is, this is about somebody who will do the right thing for them to restore order in their life. And they're not afraid of taking the initiative, taking control of situations and moving in a direction that they feel is right, whatever this means for them. The Ten of Swords here can be about endings. It can be about painful endings, but it's where you end the pain. It's where you stop yourself from being hurt or exposed to being hurt. This is where you draw a line into that situation, because that's where you see the new day dawn rising. That's where you see the light. That's where you see the light, happiness, joy, new optimism coming in. Because somebody has been hurt, even one too many times here. This can be about being stabbed in the back, betrayed, thrown under the bus, deeply wounded, deeply hurt in a situation. And this is an end of it. You might be drawing the line and taking action here, Sagittarius, and that's what I'm saying. This could be a love thing, this could be a friendship thing. It could well be, for some of you, a friend who you trusted. It could well be simply trusted with somebody. They might just not be very trustworthy. You know, that can be the energy here. Like I said, it can be to do with love, romance, relationships as well with the Knight of Cups. But this feels like you're just ending something so that you don't keep on exposing yourself to get hurt by them. So that is the energy that I'm getting. And you're taking action through a new door. The Ace of Wands is taking action through a new door. It's fire energy. It's empowered. It's, I'm moving in this direction. I'm moving, you know, this is a new beginning. This is a new door that's opening for me, because this is where my heart and soul is guiding me. And I'm feeling excited. I'm feeling empowered. I'm feeling, you know, really enthusiastic about moving forward to this new beginning, because this is the direction where I see potential and growth for me. So that is the energy here. I mean, the Ace of Wands can also be linked with new passions and desires. It can be where your heart and soul is naturally leading you. It can link with moving or relocating, because that's where your heart and soul is leading you to take action. It can be new jobs, new business opportunities, new enterprise, so it's not just, sometimes we just, everything falls into place in different areas of our lives that naturally allow you to bring something to an end that doesn't suit you anymore. So this is an energy of you are moving in a new direction because you're drawing the line on something and not exposing yourself anymore to this person. That is what I'm getting quite strongly. I'm going to pull you. I saw these and I got hold of them. This is some affirmation cards. I thought it was quite quirky. So let's see what we have for you, Sagittarius. I'm going to pull one from the bottom, I think, for you. See what message we have for you. I have the potential to succeed at anything I try. So your affirmation for the day: I have the potential to succeed at anything I try. I don't know if that's scanning in the quite tiny cards. Anyway, you get the message, Sagittarius. I'm going to pull you a fairy card. To finish off the reading. I'm not reading all those, but let's pull you a fairy card. Let's see what we have for you. What do we have for Sagittarius? We have shine from within. Looks are only skin deep. True beauty shines from within, and it's time for you to shine. This is a time for self-acceptance and for revealing your true beauty. You're being illuminated from within. That is the energy here. That's what I have for you, Sagittarius. I hope you enjoyed your reading, found it helpful, useful. I wish you a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.